All right, guys. Today, finally, we're gonna put the bumper back on. We've had the pleasure of plugging in the license plate holes that's no longer there. Hideous Euro license plate that the previous owner put on. No offense to him, but I guess that was his thing. What we have here is a KERSCHER carbon fiber front lip. And I think this is gonna change the front of the car to look a lot more aggressive, to go with the additional power. So we're gonna put this on. I've already pre-drilled some of the holes, and the great thing about the KERSCHER is that on the bottom of them, they've already had, you know, like a guide to where you need to drill. So that's where I really just drilled. And the bigger holes on the outside, some of the ones on the middle actually line up perfectly with the bumper. And I think that was the intent of the front lip. So let's go ahead and put the front lip on. And this should be relatively very straightforward and easy. Okay, so we got most of the bolts kind of lined up. So I'm gonna get this guy. And it's basically 10 mil bolt and nut. These are nylon kind of locking nuts, so that's good. I'm gonna all do it loose first, and then I'm gonna lock it down. In my opinion, this brand is probably the best looking front lip for the E82 135i. Just my preference, but I mean it just looks just right. It's not overly aggressive, right? It looks just right. Man, it's just so well made. Well, we'll see how well made it's made. I'm sure it's not going to really stand up to the test of time of daily driving, some of the winter driving that I'm going to do in this car. But you know what? It's just the front lip. If we told you what we just tried to attempt to do with the paint protection film, I'm not a professional. I'm never doing that again, by the way. Daniel and I were just laughing, but it's not for amateurs like me to attempt paint protection film. That's some serious stuff. That is definitely some serious stuff. So if you're brave enough, maybe try it, but it's not for me.
I think this is a fail. Yeah, I think this is a fail. That's why you leave it to the professionals to do this. Yeah, I don't think I can get these bubbles out and stuff. Alright. We're not doing this shit. Oh my god. $40 wasted.
Oh my god.
Fucking piece of shit. Well, it's probably my lack of.
Fucking CPFs are hard.
Yeah, fucking A, man. Fucking A. Alright, let's just clean it up, put it back on the bumper.
Okay. Okay. That is on there. Okay, that's good. All right. So let's go ahead and put the bumper on there. We're gonna have to really give this car a detail. So bear with us while we do all that good stuff. Wow. Wow, wow. That looks awesome. Yeah, I thought about, I'm like, should I put the mesh back in? I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave it exposed like that. I think it looks cool as shit. Like almost like an old school JDM car. So guys, Daniel just asked if I'm gonna put the mesh grill back in. It's highly subjective, right? But I kind of like the exposed intercooler for what it is, and I'm not gonna put it in. I didn't cut off the tabs just in case I did want to go back to the mesh style, right? Like I kind of go with the sleeper look, but it's got the front lip now. It's already looking pretty aggressive, so I'm gonna leave it a little more aggressive by leaving the intercooler exposed. I think it looks kind of cool. If a rock hits it, I don't know. I'm kind of shit out of luck, but yeah, it's looking kind of cool.
Yeah.
Savannah.